like simple terms. Yeah, I'm gonna
I
on this
agree.
weekly here with you.
I probably want to see higher as well. I do want to see
Yeah.
higher. Swept out those November lows. Daily
Mm-hmm.
looks pretty bullish. I want to see us honestly inverse that fair value gap that we see on the daily. We inverse
Yeah.
that. That's fucking like beautiful. 4 hour looks super nice as well. We inverse that 4 hour fair value gap.
Yeah. We also
Um.
have an SMT at the bottom there, where that 4 hour, where like the low of day is. I guess the 6 p.m. low.
Okay.
So we also held a 4 hour gap overnight, and then flipped that, made that inverse off of it.
Also measuring out the low from Sunday to the high,
Mm.
like on Tuesday. Reject rejecting out a golden pocket like perfectly.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're
Yeah. And so far for higher, just doesn't really seem like we're seeing rejections until previous day high. I do want to see previous day high
mm-hmm.
ultimately.
I would agree. Previous day high would be the like ultimate draw.
I think if we wanted to hold for lower, this hourly would have held. On ES, it hasn't flipped yet, but I mean, we're super bullish through it. I don't think we just reject it now. The only way I could see like rejection is maybe like coming up into that previous day high wick. But I think we're just gonna run up for that ultimately.
Yeah, I mean honestly, I don't. Yeah, I do want to favor longs. Honestly, I really do like longs.
Yeah, I agree. I would say like we could retrace on the hourly, but we look like we're extended to where we might not come down that far to that bigger hourly gap. Maybe like a 90 something point move down. You have a smaller hourly. It's like 40 points away.
Yeah, that has a devil's mark on it, or that one has a devil's mark at least.
Yeah, then ES has one, and then NQ has like a super small wick.
Yeah. Oh, MNQ doesn't at least then.
Okay, I'm gonna come down then. Contracts also roll over today, like after the open, so I don't know how that's gonna go. Kind of see, but yeah. But I mean, I think all the volume or majority of volume should stay on the current contract, and then like tomorrow and Wednesday we'll see rollover,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
the newer ones.
Okay.
Yo.
Yo. In terms of lower, it just doesn't like. I just wouldn't want to short until we're closer to like 478 because there's really no lows in this like leg up to target unless you're targeting like these internal 15-minute lows and stuff.
Yeah, or just equilibrium, but honestly, I don't. Yeah.
Because like overnight, London like accumulated, but instead of us like manipulating the high, we like broke that high to go higher instead of coming lower. So like that 3 a.m. high, that's like in the hourly gap. Like if we were gonna come lower, I would have expected us to sweep that and then start to reject.
Mm-hmm.
But and then yeah, like those internal lows, like those 5 a.m. lows are like 190 points away, and then the actual Asia low is 230. So I don't know if we'll just plummet for that.
Asia is deep.
Yeah. And we also have an SMT in that accumulation range on the 15-minute.
Mm-hmm. That's a good shout. I just peeped that. That is a good looking SMT.
So if we're gonna go higher, we should retrace this leg into like somewhere into discount, then run higher.
See, you're making a whole lot of sense right now, my friend.
And equilibrium would be around like 580s.
Yep.
So yeah, right around that hourly gap.
Golden pocket would be these 15-minute, like the last 15-minute fair value gap.
Yeah, okay, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, that would be like midpoint of the hourly almost. That lower hourly. It's also kind of like an hourly unicorn too, because there's an order block with that as well. Inside that gap. Let's see to that order block. Yeah, that order block's like right above golden pocket area. Interesting. Yeah, I can see that.
Definitely.
Now, it wouldn't be horrible to frame shorts into it if like a setup actually presents down into that gap for a retrace.
No, definitely not.
We'll see. We are starting to stall a bit up here, which is cool. Which means at least if we're going for previous day high, at least it won't just get ran off the open like usual.
Hopefully not.
I mean, this is pretty good structure coming pre-market because realistically overnight, like we ran up off the open, which is probably just from like news building up over the weekend. But then the actual like Asia and London sessions really didn't move.
Yeah, we really haven't moved. I mean,
We consolidated.
London gave a decent move, but I mean, I want us to see us if we can rebalance like London's move and then just continue higher. I would love.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, it basically just looks like instead of us sweeping higher to go lower, we broke higher, and now we're like prepped to keep going higher.
Yeah, definitely. Bro, I really need a black ceramic open worked AP.
Fucking ready to buy it.
Bro, I need it, bro. Salmon dial.
Just take the intel position and just full port it up to the ceramic. And then in a good week of price action, and it's yours.
Bro, I'm just literally one trade away, bro. Literally one trade.
One trade is all it takes. Let's see. Monthly open. I will say, like, we're like off of the monthly open right at 682, but I mean, that's really just like a level I have marked out. I really don't like use it as a confluence, but it's pretty interesting.
That could be the level that sponsors move down to rebalance this range.
I mean, that's what it kind of looks like. We came up there and just started stalling at it. We only were able to move like 6 points above that open.
Yeah. Yo, question for you guys on TikTok. Can you guys hear us okay? The sound's coming in through good. I'm getting notifications that it's not like good sound or whatever.
Yeah, oh shit.
Good. Okay, good. Alright, good.
So let's see, it's 9:13. I mean, yeah, really, like the conditions. I would really just want to see these hourlies because like the hourlies extended. So there's like these smaller 15-minute gaps. I'm not gonna like signify too much, but I'll watch them in price as we come down. If we come down.
Definitely.
I will say previous day high is still like a little bit away. So like it's very possible we just stall in the range, come back down, and then like just chop around.
Yeah, it's 150 points. I mean, definitely, but I mean,
just because like our move up from overnight, just from like 6 p.m. bottom to up here is 409 points.
Jesus, dude.
So like, and like realistically, we didn't have like any kind of significant retrace down at any point, really.
Yeah, the SMT
which is the only thing that kind of spooks me.
Yeah, SMT was the only one that delivered us. The
right.
Crypto's been running overnight.
Crypto has been moving with this, with all this conflict. It's like free liquidity. Like it's like actual kind of cash flow they can use.
Bro, you see TJR?
I did see that, but I've always said like all of that was in that video. I've always said that.
See, I completely agree. I don't think TJR is all that. I mean, even his trading, bro. Like, I don't know. He's trading on an unregulated token and stuff too. Like he could easily.
I mean, he just basically marketed his way. Like he's a marketer, so like he kind of did it right. Like technically, he doesn't really consider himself a trader. At least, like I feel like if you ask him, but he's a marketer, influencer slash marketer. That's really what it is.
Yeah.
So he's just good at selling shit.
Bro lost 2 million fucking followers. That's insane.
Yeah, his account I think on TikTok is banned or something. Pretty sure he got banned on TikTok, and I don't know what else would happen, but
Yeah.
I mean, the thing is, bro, is like the guy's made enough money to where it's like it doesn't even matter if he gets canceled. Like,
Oh yeah.
and even then he can, bro. Like, there's people that are gullible enough where it's like they'll never see the videos of him getting exposed, so they'll never know.
Nothing that he really did. He just basically like got rich like selling course and stuff. Yeah, but then he sells like a course on how to get rich off trading. Like that's just not right in my opinion. Like you made your money in one way and then you go and like
But I mean, the thing is, when you actually trade and like you see like what he teaches in his boot camp, it's like, yeah, like those are like concepts you can use, but he doesn't really ever teach you how to like apply them. They're just throwing concepts at you and saying they work.
yeah.
So when you go like to apply it to a chart, it doesn't really make sense because he's leaving out the part where like you can't just trade every single like gap. You have to actually have discretion to trade a gap and like know what gaps can hold and what gaps are like not worth trading and etc.
When I first started like learning how to trade ICT and stuff, like I almost like I signed up for his mentorship. Like I went through with the one like the not in person, but like the interview or whatever. And like I was gonna go
Mm-hmm.
through with it, but what stopped me from doing it was the fact that it's basically like a Discord stream, like the one-on-one teaching. Like I asked him if I could like ask TJR like one-on-one questions and like actually really prick his brain apart about like trading and stuff, and they were like, no, like he literally just live streams in the Discord, and then everyone just asks a bunch of questions, and like he'll answer like, some of the
It's
questions.
like yeah, it's like a live stream.
It's
Like it's like
literally a
he's
live
streaming
stream.
on
Yeah,
Twitch because it's like there's so many people. There's no way that he's like actually gonna be able to guide everyone like one on one because you can't teach everyone the same way because everyone has to have their own like custom roadmap. That's the whole point of like one on ones, and then also why most people don't run a huge group at once.
agreed. Like that's why a lot of people do 10 people at a time for mentorship, or 5 people.
And that's on like the higher end.
Exactly.
It's just because if you're actually working with someone like to turn them profitable, it's gonna take a lot of time. There's no way you can spread your time across over 20 people.
Mm-hmm. Honestly, I like just regular trading view authoring. The TradeC's been having just terrible fills. And even did you see Alpha just came out with a new broker? Their fills are even worse than Lucid, bro.
But theirs are like they're just on testing phase. So like before they fully release it, they're gonna be like taking all those issues and then fixing it.
Got you.
TradeC just released theirs and just said fuck it. But yeah, I did see alphas are like getting like insane like fills that aren't even real fills. Like they're like not where price ever was.
Bro, you saw the guy like he bought and it fucking filled.
Yeah, and it was like 10 points above.
Yeah, that shit's so bad, bro.
But I mean, since it's in test phase, like it makes sense. But I mean, you would think that that would be like one of the main things they
They
would
tested.
like. Yeah, that they would not want to have.
Number one. Yeah.
But they also probably like they probably just can't make it anything close to like Top Step X. I think that's the other thing with them is like or with Project X is like if these firms make it too close, they could probably get like sued for it. I'm starting to think
That's could be totally true as well,
because
honestly.
Tracy is like kind of like Top Step X, but it's like not really. Like you can tell it's like somewhat different. I don't know how to explain it, but I feel like there is some kind of like a clause with that whole Project X. See here, this top on the 15 is kind of like rounding off low key.
It definitely is.
I mean, in terms of ES, like we're coming off of Golden Pocket, and if you were to take it from the top to bottom and looked at it from like a bearish perspective, for NQ we're like above it, but we're coming back down below. Let's see, how far are we from previous day high? From where we are, 140 points. Well, I mean, if we are gonna go for previous day high, then ideally we're gonna have time to frame it if it's that far.
Yo, quick question. How do you see your credentials on Lucid?
You gotta You got to go to like your portal. Like you got to open your portal and then go to your like account summary, and then on their top right you can open it.
Show credentials. Got it. Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Is it time for the Lucid arc?
Yeah, I just got one account. I'm not
Valid.
I don't want to create any fundeds for right now.
That's valid.
I want to see like the payouts don't seem that bad, right? They're not that hard to get.
It's basically the same thing as Top Step. Like it's really not different. I mean, Top Step gives you the 5K max. I think max you get on Lucid is 3K per if you have the 150s.
Okay.
And on the 50s, I think it's 2K.
Okay.
Matter of fact, I might get an account right now.
Use code profits.
Got you.
About to come into actually, did we just make? Oh no, this is a 30-minute. I'm like, okay, what cap is that? All right. So
No eval alert. Let's see.
Low key, look at the rules because I bought the flex, but low key the pro is not bad, bro.
now pro's cool. I think the only contingency was pros. Like what? What is a contingency? There has to be, I think there was something I saw.
I don't know.
You got a loss limit.
Pro has a loss limit, you said?
Oh yeah, I
Yeah,
mean that's fine
1200.
though.
I mean, that's like
But
whatever.
that's,
Yeah,
yeah,
it's
that's
not
not
that
bad.
easy.
Yeah. I read
Let me actually look over this pro shit. So they lost limit, cool. And they drawdown still.
End of day drawdown.
I mean,
No consistency in the
The only
eval.
thing that I saw was the buffer, but the buffer was like $500 or something.
yeah, I think
But they have
that's
a
the only thing. You have to be
40%
at a
in.
certain buffer. But it's 3-day payouts,
what?
which is kind of cool. So you have to be like
Oh,
above
yeah,
a certain
shit.
buffer to request a payout. So it says payout
Five.
profit target 500.
Mm-hmm.
Then it says 60% of peak end of day balance above initial trade. What the fuck does that mean?
Yeah, I saw that the 60% above end of day. I didn't understand what that meant.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's solid. It's pretty solid through and through. Though the only thing would just be daily loss, in which I mean, realistically, you shouldn't even be hitting that anyway.
Yeah.
And consistency, which the flexes have 50 or no. Flexes have no consistency. So pros have 40%.
But it's
Flexes have 0.
Mm. Yeah, because it's the same thing as Top Step's rules.
Yeah.
yeah.
And you know, on Lucid's like funded and evals, you can trade and use. It just has to be held for at least 10 seconds
I did not know that.
I
for their
didn't know that.
micro scalping rule. So like you could trade the CPI candle as long as it hovers for 10 seconds and you close it, you're good.
That's, man, listen. That could be a good thing or a bad thing. Like it happen in 10 seconds.
Yeah, I mean usually the candle like is printing in the direction it's moving for at least 10 seconds, so it shouldn't be that bad.
Yo, also, yeah, if you guys are just tuning in to the live streams, we do roll over the contracts today. So you'll be at MNQM6 later today. However, I use the charts MNQ1 or NQ1, and then you don't ever have to contract rollover. It's just constantly staying the same. Be the longest 10 seconds of your life for sure, yeah. You might have to change it on Trade C. I would just personally use MNQ1. That's just what I use. Never have to change or anything.
We're kind of just sitting inside this like 15-minute pre-market.
Yo, did you see TJR and Timmy talk about like how much they're making off the affiliates? Like, did you see?
I did not.
They didn't say like actually how much they're making, but just the reaction, like Timmy's reaction off TJR's affiliates, bro. They gotta be making like $500 to $1,000 a day, bro.
Easily, yeah. I mean, it was like making like 7 figures a year off of affiliate codes.
Yeah.
Somehow. So I definitely believe it. Probably usually racking like 320K a month at least in affiliates.
Bro, that guy Timmy is set for life. He's
No, literally though.
he plays his cards right. I mean, he already is, bro. He's already fucking himself. He's good.
Yeah, nah. If he doesn't actually trade, like he'll just do content and shit.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, that kid is hilarious. I'm not gonna hold you.
So stupid, bro. Yeah, Trade Copia is really good, Brian. Who'd you pay 20K for a mentorship to? What the hell? Don't tell me TJR. Bro.
I gotta get my scamming game up. Cause 20 bands. Hello.
Yeah, bro, that's
If
a
I can
good
convince you
amount.
of that,
Nah, I use Trade Copia. Timmy paid him 20K for a mentorship? No way.
Nah, that can't be true. There's no way.
Yeah, TJR like told him to come out and flew him out and stuff.
hustle.
I mentored Gerald the Dolphin for 20K, not gonna lie. You paid Timmy 20K for a mentorship?
W.
You're lying.
Bro, tell me you're lying, bro.
Wait, we're talking about the same like light skinned dude, right?
Yeah, the
Okay.
he just shaved his head, bro.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah.
Man, I respect the hustle. All right.
Damn, how many people we got in here?
What, in Discord?
Yeah.
Jesus.
I can't tell. I don't even know how to tell.
I don't know. Usually it says like a number at the top. Or it doesn't seem.
We broke it, bro.
Seems it's a lot of people.
What is that? 4 by 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. I don't even know. It's insanity.
Packed
60
live.
people. See, the problem is, Hara, we want to make a stage, but only one person can share the live. That's the
Yeah,
issue.
that's the only issue with Sage.
Yeah. I don't know how to get around that.
Yeah, I don't even know because I don't even think like YouTube. I don't think any way you set it up would make it possible to do that.
Mm-mm.
You'd have to stage like Zoom calls. No one's doing Zoom calls.
Yeah. No, it's very true. When we get Clawbot, bro, low key, we might have the Clawbot like auto mute just everyone except for me and you, and then just when the lives start getting more poppin'.
I mean, yeah, that'd probably be the only way to do it for real. And just have it just be a chat.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, MNQ1 is fine, Volts. That's what I use, and you don't have to ever contract switch over or anything.
Coming in open here, I don't really see anything like obvious. Like I don't really expect anything obvious off the open. We're inside this 15-minute. Still have that small hourly and then the bigger hourly below. Starting to get wiki at the top.
I would love to see us stump it open.
Very well could.
So realistically, this would be, you would need a 1 to 1.21, or no, a 1 to 1.14 risk reward. For the, which I think this is a wide ass stop.
So see, going into the open here, we have like a small range. Maybe make some kind of manipulation on it.
I would love
Bruh.
that.
Bruh. also thinking, bro, it's a fat ass stop loss. Stop isn't fat.
All right, here's market open.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Internal SMT at top here. How big is this candle? 50-point candle. Sheesh.
Love that dump.
Honestly, that could be the start of a manipulation. Coming down pretty fast.
Just tap that 1 hour.
Yep. SMT there as well. The previous day high is so far in price though.
No, it really is.
150 points over there. Probably play like a look for like a push and a retrace towards it. So far we're holding that hourly. Like wicked it perfectly.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
We just made another SMT up top here.
Mm-hmm.
That was a perfect tap. Jeez.
Up to the tick. So holding that hourly, holding this 15 as well. Off open. Still technically just in this range as well, so I'd want to see us like break through the highs if we're actually gonna go. Start building another leg up.
Yeah, I completely agree.
We also need to see the SMTs get broken with ES at the top.
Damn.
So we just came above those range highs there. Step B. Still don't have any gaps formed.
Yeah, no, nothing. What do they call that? The patty swing or something?
What, off the open like that?
Yeah.
Or like a Judas one?
But nah, they were calling it like the patty swing. The patty.
Oh, why is that?
I don't know. He just loves the Judas swing, like taking the first flip off the Judas.
Was there like a second time frame for it from down there?
It was a 15
I didn't check.
15 seconds actually.
True. Interesting.
Then the flip of 1 minute too. The
Oh, that smaller
24
one.
candle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I almost took it, but for some reason I didn't.
I didn't like the SMT.
Yeah, we still have 1, 2 high here. Or that range high.
Oh, I'm not zoomed out enough. Where is it? Oh,
It's 15. I mean, this 15 does look strong up towards that previously high.
Mm-hmm.
See if we continue. Still want to see us form first presented at some point.
No, I haven't taken a trade yet.
We are still 100 points away from previous day high. See. The VIX is down like 9% today.
Damn.
See if ES comes up to break out these highs.
Holy shit. Tech is fucking ripping.
Ripping.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We gapped up, bro. That's a nice fucking. That's a nice number. Go look at the port real quick.
OpenAI is making some deals too with like a bunch of investment firms. Apparently. Yeah, no, my port is up like 1.7% on the day.
Bro,
Pretty solid.
mine's up 8.5% right now.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my god.
We're kind of moving strong. It's just no entries. I'm definitely not top blasting this shit to previous day high. That's for sure.
Definitely not.
Still 100 points away. We still have this SMT at the range high right now. Once ES breaks that, ideally we should start moving fast and then we could get like actual setup. 5 minute look good, and so does the 15 out of the hourly. Could get a 5 minute gap to retrace into as well at some point. In the next like 4 minutes, 3 minutes.
Took off the 15-second. That's fire. Yeah, that was a nice 15-second flip.
So we still have that S&T at the top there. Oh yeah, we do. Yes, made an equal high there.
Love that.
Still no first presented gap yet either.
Hara, you might need to add the show mitigated levels. I'm starting to get heavy. Jeez.
Yeah, low key.
Would not take
Just a
this.
little bit.
Yeah, we just got a 30-second flip. Would not take this.
Yeah, I really don't want to be shorting today at all, if I'm being honest.
Yeah. I want to see us tap this 3 minute and then give us some sort of reaction off to go higher.
Yeah, we'll see if we make this 5 minute here, and like a minute and a half as well. We just have the SMT at the top. I want to see ES break it, so then it's like longs definitely makes some more sense. Sheesh. But ES isn't following this move.
It's not.
At
No.
all.
So
We got to be coming up to equilibrium of this range, bro. Let's see.
yeah, I was about to say the same.
Yeah, we're at
670.
Yeah, 670.
See, we're gonna open up that 5 minute gap soon. We got a red candle on NQ, green candle on ES. Is 5 minute.
Nice.
Pretty interesting.
I know that. No, we really not about to tap this 3 minute.
It's actually kind of weird how discorrelated we are between the two right now. Like, what is that? Yes, almost went for that range high.
There's 5-minute gap tap, equilibrium.
Oh shit, we do have the 5-minute gap.
Want to see it bullish out now.
I just hate how far previous day high is still like from this range.
I agree.
Like, I'm starting to lean towards my narrative that we might just avoid both sides and go sideways because we're just too far from both ends. At least like for the volume that we have.
We just put in SMT now.
Yep. I'm definitely not shorting through any of these like imbalances though.
Yeah, no, I don't want to take any shorts.
Alright, yes, broke the SMT at the range high. But like NQ did not move right there.
No.
What the?
It doesn't make any sense.
The other thing too though is ES is like far away from previous day high in relation to NQ. Like it's like lagging behind. So this could be the area where we start catching up and then correlate.
Yeah.
How do you normally size on EBS?
Full port.
Football. Okay. Gangster.
Full port negative RR. What's the method?
I feel like this got to catch up, right? This doesn't make any sense.
Yeah.
Oh wait, this is still
Shall see here. What we would like to do. In theory, this 5-minute could flip to send us back down the low of day, but I don't really like that idea.
I don't either, honestly. But I mean, it could totally happen. You're right.
To like send us into the more discounted hourly gap. But I kind of just want to see long. Please don't stall NQ. Dude, ES is just calling.
It's actually crazy.
Like what the? ES actually made a first presented and then tapped it and ran.
This 5 minutes should send us, but
Yeah, we're just lagging super hard.
I know.
But ES is about to catch up in terms of like where NQ is in this range, so that's actually not bad. We'll see though. It's actually wicked, the discorrelation. ES is like displacing while NQ is like refusing to go higher. Super weird.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Trump's also speaking at 11:45, by the way.
and I'm gonna
Press
definitely be over
conference.
there by then. Fuck that.
Yeah, so far, I mean, pretty mid.
Yeah, I don't like any of this.
We have
at
an
all.
SMT at these internal lows too now. Very, very odd. There's literally like a Tory trades trend line going on the top and bottom of my screen from these SMTs.
You just gotta.
All right, guys, we got 2 trend line taps. Yeah, NQ just looks like it's just weakening right here, but ES is not the same at all.
This is just super discoordinated right now.
Yeah. Could be those contract rollovers, but I don't really think that's gonna like make an effect today per se. But
Wait, somebody explain these contract rollovers you're talking about.
we just change contracts every so often on like like futures, but like prop firms will roll it over automatically. So
Okay. So it's still gonna be MMQ6 or H6 or whatever I'm looking at right now.
Nah.
yeah, for now until like tomorrow. Until like tomorrow.
Yeah, you could
Okay,
honestly
but
just
it's automatically gonna switch.
you could use M6.
Yeah,
M6.
use
Okay.
6 because I don't think. Let me see. I don't think like NQM is gonna have volume yet. Let me check. I mean, it does. I don't think it matters though. They're moving the same, so there's no like discorrelation in the spreads. The bid and ask are like around the same, so it's fine.
Nah,
All right, we're getting some
Okay.
volume here.
yeah,
Is this what we've been waiting for?
yeah. This is what we've been waiting for.
Perhaps this might be it.
Are we about to miss this shit though?
We shall find out.
Yeah, we were playing around in the 5. Man, I like it, but I don't want to chase this. It's a crazy engulfing candle.
That is a wicked ass candle. I will not lie.
I
Jeez.
just took profit there. All I
Oh, that good shit.
that was actually super easy, bro. All I did was just limit the 5-minute CE.
Yeah, that was super valid,
Okay.
honestly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
As long as you held like a decent stop, definitely valid.
That was half pass for the Lucid account.
Oh yeah. All right, looks like ES is pretty caught up towards previous day highs. So if we're gonna start running for it, should start doing it soon. Kind of waiting to see. I wanted to take that candle, but that shit was just like way too much displacement to have a nice stop. Maybe we make like a gap right here, and then I can get like cleaner entry.
Is this first presented if we make it?
Yeah, on NQ it is. Yeah.
Jeez.
ES actually tapped its first presented and then actually moved up.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Might tap this here. I'll probably take the entry.
Just made this huge 1 minute first presented here.
We didn't tap this shit for time.
I have this 15-minute wick marked out in the previous day high wick to see how we react if we fill it. If we come up there. Have that first presented that we could retrace. Pretty big gap too. I would assume like we would want to come down to that.
Where's the break-even point here?
I mean, I don't have an entry here, so let me see. If you are long here, realistically, I mean, you'd really just have to play based off like displacement and price. There's really no like clear break-even spots on this, which kind of lowers like probability, at least in my opinion. If this 1 minute gap gets tapped and it gives like some kind of setup and it works out, maybe break even at the internal high, but
yeah. Oh shit.
pretty heavy candle there. You just tap C of that, or actually edge C of the first presented there. Yes, almost inverse.
Yeah. I don't like that.
You see, do we tap EQ with small range? We did. I mean, low-key, if we get like a decent like displacement out of this, I wouldn't mind taking it, but I need to see like a strong candle close out of it. Yes, looks like it might inverse it.
Yes, it's
Which
about to
wouldn't be
inverse,
ideal.
yeah.
we end up closing this and coming back in the range, I mean, I might not entertain this. It's just that previous AI is like super far for how we're moving in price. That's why I want to see us move higher before I like jab anything.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, give us a good close so I can jab, please.
Honestly, I like this coming out of it, but I don't like how EOS.
I wanted that to close a bit higher. That's so fucked up. Cause now we made that smaller gap right there.
Yeah, just tap the 1
Mhm.
minute there.
Mm-hmm. If this next candle can close that, but we don't like this space too
Yeah.
far, I'll take it. I'll just keep like a proper sub. ES is weak in here. ES has a 5 minute to fill. And Q does not have that 5 minute. Honestly, I might not even get an entry out of this the way it's moving.
This just doesn't look like clean. Like it's structurally moving.
Yeah.
It just doesn't look clean.
Like the displacement used to be a lot faster.
Mm-hmm. First day with the 15 and 30-second charts.
If ES and NQ flip this, I'll take a step long.
Yeah, I'm hoping it doesn't take too many candles or I won't like it as much.
Yeah. It has to happen like in the next 2 minutes for me to like it.
I would want to see us start moving in this macro. I hope we don't just create a whole nother range after that little move up.
Well, looks like we
But it really does look like we might genuinely.
Oh, don't piss me off.
Because like I really don't want to short if we flip lower and like we very well could flip back, but it's like I want previous day high to get manipulated.
Oh, we got an inverse on ES. I just realized.
Yeah, ES inverse downward. You might follow through here in a second.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. When it does it, I do like just taking the stab once ES inverses. Just wait for NQ to catch up.
Honestly, I still like higher.
I'm not gonna do it. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it, but
Yeah.
that's
Let me see, I
fine.
think ES has a 5 minute gap.
We got another bearish gap. Man,
Yeah, ES has a 5 minute gap below that internal low there.
okay, we could get a reaction.
Just close the 15-second. But I mean, we're not coming out of anything.
And now we're just in the range. We're kind of like stair stepping.
Yeah. Higher highs and higher lows, yeah. So that's what I mean. Like structurally, it looks like it makes sense. Like just to go higher, but just no like proper entries. Like nothing like looks clean. Like
Yeah, nah. Even if I do get the entry trigger I want, like, I don't even know if I'll take it still.
mm-hmm.
Where this is going. This previous candle had no wick on the bottom of it. ES might come back down and resweep for that 5 minute too.
Yeah, we didn't even tap it there, right? Yeah.
Yeah, no, it was at the internal low.
Mm-hmm.
We did make like a slight SMT there, but
Just into
I do think it might come to tap it. The idea I had for longs, it just doesn't seem as nice as it once did though. I wanted to see us like make that quick retrace and flip back on that first presenting, but kind of just sitting.
Yeah. Yeah, this is just looking terrible now.
Yeah, I agree.
Might be one of them days.
I mean, I could see it. First day of the week. Because ideally, what I wanted to see is like we open, manipulate, and then we just start drawing higher, and then we get a nice retrace to continue.
Mm-hmm.
We got our retrace, but not the continue part.
Yes, my type is 5.
Yeah, that's kind of what I want to see. See if we end up rejecting from that. That previous day high just seems like the most clear draw. I definitely don't want to like short unless we just
There
start
we go.
selling through this whole leg. See how ES reacts.
I like that reaction right there. Mm.
It's like for me at this point, I might have to see us break that high of day. Hopefully we don't just break in and blast off.
I'm about the wrong goddamn thing. Fuck.
Looks like NQ's reacting harder to ES's 5 minute than ES is. Like what? We end up getting that 1 minute to inverse. I'm gonna take it with 5 micros.
That's
Put
bad.
my stop at 680 at the internal low. And I'm either gonna look for a previous day high or just that 15-minute wick fill at like 770.
That's valid.
One of the two.
I'm gonna have pass at 788. So I'm gonna get out right there.
I wanted to take this with a full mini, but it's like this is giving me dilly dally vibes.
Yeah. Make it easy. Come on.
I'll go for that. I'll go for that 770. I'll just go for like the 1R. It's like a 1.2 if I get it. Because we're not moving with any speed right now. ES is moving pretty strong though. Come on, NQ.
There you go.
Get us paid.
Is that break even for you?
Break even.
Nah, I'd be too tight of a break even, low key. I want to see if we can get like a clean displacement through that, then I'll go break even.
Break even now.
And we do have like a smaller 1 minute gap below it. But I wouldn't want to see us come back in this range. I want to see us just start to like fly.
I just hope we don't reject off this hourly. That's the only thing that'll annoy me.
Let's see.
Might take a. I don't want to take a partial there. I just want to get a full half pass, all or nothing.
See, that's why I didn't break even yet, because I don't like how we're like not flushing past. I mean, ES looks good past that high. I need to see NQ look the same. Honestly, maybe around like 750-ish. Maybe that might be my break even, just based on like displacement structure. So yeah, like 750. Let me see, is there any like 1 minute internals or anything? Not really, besides like this. Where's this at in price?
Tap that gap.
Unless I don't get any TP and we get a stop loss instead. Yeah, the only like other break even spot would be like 760, which is next to my TP. So it'll just have to be off displacement.
Mm-hmm.
If we hold this retrace and get another push up, that would be good to break even.
Yeah.
If it's only a retrace, that is.
Don't tap me out.
Come on, NQ, hold a retrace for the one time.
There we go.
Oh.
Nice rejection. Don't come back down. What is this?
They lied.
Tapped out. Yeah. Oh,
Ooh,
that stuff.
What the
Jeez.
that candle right there is spooky. Someone did something.
Yeah.
Oh, my stop was edged right there. If it comes back down to stop me, I believe it will. Now at this point, if we come back up and resweep,
Yeah, I took a trade, Benny. I just limited this 5-minute gap right here, which was basically equilibrium. So I limited the CE of this 5-minute gap and discount, and I just took it up to this recent high. I'm on evals today because I blew my exaphase during CPI. So I'm on evals right now, so I just half passed. But today, honestly, like, was not the best. There was no like actual inverse, unless you have the 15-second chart. One of these two were really nice, but if you didn't catch the 15-second trades, it's just probably just a no trade day, honestly.
Over for the day after this because I don't like how price is moving.
Yeah, I agree.
come on, NQ, give me the opportunity to break even. Please.
See.
Because now if we come back above that recent high, that just makes sense. Especially the way this shit is moving. Why did that candle just spawn? What did they just say?
Yeah, I don't know what that was, but we did get a good reaction to it.
Can we get back to the internal high? Find out next time on Dilly Dally NQ. Nah, this is probably gonna be a stop out, to be honest. I don't like how this shit's moving. Yeah, it really is. It's like every day, man, I try to take a good trade. I just get chopped around. It's either a 1 hour TP or 4-minute stop. I'm literally gonna go break even at 741, which is like
High.
still pretty close to my entry, but yeah, I mean high of day just makes sense. It's the only break even spot that I have here. I might regret it, but honestly, I'd rather get break even than get stopped out on this kind of price action.
No, I agree. I think the break even there is a good spot.
Let's see if we can come back up for it. Yes, it is. Come on, NQ. If you can give a Diddy candle, you can give a Drake candle, right? Like, why wouldn't you? That would only be fair. Yes, made like an equal high. That internal high there.
Give him the Diddy candle.
I still don't like this either way. They're gonna end up making some other comment and it's gonna come back down for the original Diddy candle.
This 15-minute closes. I went for it.
Come on, NQ.
Yeah, I don't like this anymore. I'm calling it.
Here comes the demonic stop loss.
That's actually pretty cool. It's actually manually locked out on Trade-A-Bait.
Yeah, it's pretty sick.
That's actually pretty dope.
I think it's like that's probably one of the first updates they've made in forever.
Oh, bro, that's probably the best update they'll ever do.
That is true too. Yeah, at this point I'm just gonna deem this like a stop out, bro. Just send it to 680 and get me out of this shit.
Yeah.
Please.
Now that I can
Yeah.
low-key talk about it,
Momentum is high.
we were actually building that.
What?
We were gonna build like an offshore dashboard basically where you connect all your logins, like for all your prop firms, and then it's basically like a Project X manual lockout, all in one everything. But
No, I see. Actually, pretty sick.
yeah.
So basically a copy trader that has like Project X integrated
Mm-hmm.
in a sense. That'd be sick.
Damn, bro.
Bro, this shit consolidates between my stop and where I want to go break even.
Yeah, this is ass. Bro.
Like, bro, do something, even if it's a 200-point spike down and slips me out. Do something entertaining. Oh, I think wait, did I freeze or am I still here?
You're still here.
So just okay. My screen had froze for a second. I was like, what the fuck? They're spawning in the
Dude,
candle that I asked for.
Come on, edge of stop loss and jump.
Imagine they did it once. And they gave me that was my chance right there. They gave me the opportunity of hope. Gonna be a stopped out trade.
Got 8 minutes to the 15.
Yes, does have a 15 down there.
Make a 2-minute buy, so 2-minute might pop off. It might that wick that you want.
I wanted to wick down to my stop, bro. I don't want to sit in this trade for fucking 20 more minutes.
We still have that upward momentum on the 2-minute.
That's the thing. We're still just stair stepping. It's like just pump and Q. All right, that internal high. I'm still going to break even there if we get it. Like that's still the original plan. Take my break even. Let's see.
I don't want to talk too soon, bro, but that edge of the stop loss.
Oh, trust me, buddy. They're gonna surprise me. They're gonna edge the break even spot, then hit the stop loss.
Nah, dude.
I mean, honestly, in hindsight, well, the entry I took was the entry I wanted, but in hindsight, after with the chop, Barbie.
Mm-hmm.
And then we just got it was going good. We just got a random 50-point candle down.
Yeah, that was weird.
Super weird.
Like no direction right now. Come on, we got
Yeah, it's super tight range. This trade basically is like relying on us just randomly breaking the range, which is crazy. Will I get to go break even in Q? It's like I just hate how close that break even is still. But fuck it. One break even.
Mm-hmm. That's valid. That's dude.
snap. Here we go.
Good fucking.
I hate going break even when we leave a gap though. But
When
I'm
you
not.
pop, we're about
Let's
to break
see,
that
man.
high.
If we do get it, that'd be pretty W. This would just be the new higher high though. I hope we don't come back right into the range.
There, you just made a new higher high.
Time to come make the higher low.
By 5 ticks.
I'll be right back.
Bet. Watch where I move my shit break even. It's gonna speed run its way there. I plan to TP at 770. We get 26 points up before we get 20 points down. No.
What's your draw for 770?
It's a rejection block.
On what? 5-minute?
15-minute. I'm about to get break even soon.
The body close?
Yeah.
I'm back.
Come on, NQ, please don't break even me. I'll never trade commodities again if you hit my TP. It's a decent little pump. Can we hold the pump? All right, come on. This is the momentum. Surely we just go for it, right?
Got it.
NQ, bro. Do it. It's over. Yes, it's also coming up to the same level, so we are correlated. We won't make an SMT up here. I just do not want to get caught in another retrace on this like stair step up. I avoided the last one by holding my stop. This one's unavoidable. Come on, NQ. Don't just stall right here. Really, NQ?
I say we tap it, and then we're gonna dump.
My TP was literally 10 points off of this shit. Let's see. Just give us one little final spike. I mean, that's the thing. That rejection block could send us back down. Very well could. But yeah, here comes the retrace to my break even. Oh. And here it is. Break. Oh, almost.
Nah, that's
And
tough.
slammed. Let's go. All right, counts locked for the day. We're done trading.
Yeah.
Fun trading day. We are up a total of $35 per account. Let's go.
Yeah, but me too.
Bro, as I was walking up the stairs, did I hear you just get break even?
Yeah, 10 points from my TP.
Oh
That's pretty
my
boring.
God.
Yeah, now it's gonna go and tap TP now.
Probably.
Is y'all's trading view acting up?
Nah, mine seems pretty good.
Nah,
Yeah, mine seems good.
yeah, mine's straight. I just hate getting. I got break even 3 different times, and each one was up 500. That would have been a half pass right there. I might just start going for 1-to-1s until I get my shit.
I need to get my 250 for all account, 350 for my 100K for the day, and call it a day.
Honestly, this is just a terrible New Year gaming session. Maybe
Yeah.
probably lunch will probably be better and PM will probably be better, but
We got one small, bullish SMT. First reaction to this gap here too. I might take one more stab at it, but this is probably it for me. If we inverse this to the upside.
Yeah, after whatever happens here, I'm gonna call it.
Yeah.
I just don't like now that we're in such a premium of this range.
Yeah. We've just been
Yeah, I'm not.
chopping
I locked out after that
upwards.
break even.
That's valid.
I don't like that we already reacted to this gap to the hourly, so I don't love it. So I might just I'm 50-50. It's either I have size on it or just call it.
Honestly, patience pays, bro. Just wait.
Yeah. Alright, yeah. I'm locking out. Fuck that.
All right, fellas. We'll open up to any questions. Anyone want to go over anything? But today was honestly a hard New York AM session. Like there was really no like proper entries.
Yeah, nah.
Nothing extremely clean.
I just sat in that chair for like 30 minutes, literally.
Yeah, I know. You're a beast, bro.
Boring ass. 10 points away from TP. Wait, so 10 points from TP and then it shot back down 40 to my break even instead. It's actually W.
And edged your stop loss by like 10.
Yeah. Actually, the first wick down that it made it edge my stop by 3 points.
Jeez. All right, fellas.
Yeah.
We'll see you tomorrow for Tuesday.
Yes, sir. Catch you
Yeah.
guys tomorrow morning.
Yes, sir.
Schedule.
Peace out.
Later. Later.